What's going on, guys? It's Justin once again, back with another video on credit money budget, CMB. And here we are again. And today I want to give you pretty much one tip on why you should make more money. It should be self-explanatory, but I know a lot of you guys are comfortable in your situations, or you want more money, but you don't want to put in the work to make more money. But the world is shifting. And this is not directly about credit, but credit, if you have bad credit, you're gonna need more money in order to get it, not only get it repaired, but you're gonna need more money to build up your credit profile. And why is that? Banks, lenders are looking at your bank accounts. They're looking at your W-2s. You need to make more money. And they're gonna use systems like Plaid. They're gonna use your W-2s, your tax returns, to see if you make that money to approve you for that high limit. If you don't make the money, you're not getting those limits. You can't use authorized users no more. I described this in the last video. And you can't manipulate the system with these trade lines. Those days are dead. 2, I know I didn't actually say, I know I said I was going to leave one tip, but I'll do another tip. 2, you got inflation. Inflation happens. Every year you lose money. Inflation is about 2.5, I believe 3%. Don't quote me on that. You can go Google that. But every year, if you have that $100 in the bank, every year you're losing about $2 to $3. Every year that it's in the bank. Now, what can you do? You need to make more money. And I know that sounds like a lot, but what you have to do is you have to make more money, consistently make more money. There is no way around it. The world is shifting to where you need to have money on hand. I know this is a credit channel, but we also talk about money and budgeting, and they all three go together. You need to make more money. Even if you have a good job, you need to have money on the side being made. You need to be able to invest that money, but you shouldn't invest that money if you don't have a high income or business throwing off cash. I don't even think you should invest unless you have $50,000 liquid and debt free. You shouldn't even invest, because that's another video. Your debts will offset any gains you get. But I just want to really emphasize, you have to make more money. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. I know we get caught up in social media and see people's end results, but you have to understand, you need to make more money. There is no way around it. If you want better credit, you need to make more money. If you want more money, you need to make more money. You need to budget. You need to do all these things. And honestly, if you're around people who don't do that, you need to find people who are doing that. And I'm not going to say it's easy, because that's going to require some sacrifices. Because, I've heard this quote before, and I've heard it many times. You can shout out Glendon Cameron for doing this and saying this quote: "Luxuries once tasted become necessities." Whenever you get used to something, you're going to want to keep going back to that. So you need to make more money. There is no way around it. And I'm not trying to scare you, even if it's $1,000 a month, $2,000 a month, whether you want $50,000 or $100,000 a month, or $70,000 a month, $5,000 a month. For most people, $10,000 a month is life-changing, and that's really all they need. But you got to make more money. You got to. Click the link below if you need help with credit, and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.